Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. In this video, I will show you how to use the prompt time and notice mode of TD163 guest paging system. Now let's go to setting first. Press the call and back at the same time. And the F3 is for prompt time. You need to press 3 and press confirm. And now you can change it. The time can be changed from 0 to 250 seconds. If you set to 0, that means they won't stop until you put it back. Let's try one. Remove and press the call. It shows successfully. Make sure that it's still 5 seconds after you press the call. So make sure 5 seconds. Now let's try to call the 45. Okay, you can see this one won't stop. Let's try another one. 40, you can see. Okay, this one stop. Okay, so you have to put it back. Okay. If you press other numbers, it means that's seconds. For example, we change it to 2 seconds. Okay, both setting correct. And this one, you can see 2 seconds. It works. If you want to change all the pages at one time, you can remove them at one time, just like this. First, go to F3 and set 5 seconds and remove all the pages and press call. Okay, that's how to change the prompt time. Okay, I will show you how to change the notice mode in the next video. And thank you.